Frequent flyer, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support, and if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Today we're going to have a look at the M4A1 fully automatic splatter ball blaster from Bwine. This one is not RC related, but it makes a pretty cool gift for kids, and it's a great way to have fun with your kids as well. A little assembly is required, but it's quite simple. Everything here pretty much just latches on or snaps into place. The stock just slides down and latches on to the back of the gun like this. The lever here extends the stock, revealing this little latch in order to remove it. It comes with two 1200 milliamp hour 7.4 volt batteries. Pull this blue ring back in order to open the battery hatch to install the battery. The power lead has a little lever on it that has to be pressed in order to remove the battery. In order to connect, it just snaps in, and so you only need to pull that blue ring back again to reinstall the battery cover. Adjustable sights need to be installed, but they just slide on like this, and you just tighten them using these two knobs here. The sight can be adjusted left or right using this dial on the right side. Also accessible from both sides is this dial here that allows you to move the sight up or down. It comes with two USB to balance lead chargers for the batteries, and it comes packaged with 10,000 gel balls to have fun with. One of these little packets fills the whole loading bottle. You just open one of those packets and pour it inside the loading bottle and fill it to the top with water and leave it for 4 hours. After 4 hours, they expand to these balls here, and you just fill the clip like this. The clip is inserted with the curve towards the front. To remove the clip, you just press this button here and pull it out. Really awesome is that they added the ability to add a lanyard. And what I think is even more awesome is its firing effects with lights and sounds. There's a safety here and two firing modes. Semi-automatic just lets off one round each time that you squeeze the trigger. This is my favorite mode. I feel like this makes the fun last a little longer. But if you're feeling like Rambo, it does have this fully automatic firing mode. And this one, you just put your finger on the trigger and just let them rip. This is the mode my kids like the most. They just like spraying shots all over the place, but they don't like to get hit with these things. They do kind of sting when they hit you on the body. It does come with protective goggles for your face, and I recommend wearing those if you're going to be shooting at each other. But for the most part, these things are a load of fun. It's a blast. My kids love it. I like them too. Oh, and it does come with one of these water activated targets. The shots show up red on the target, and once it dries, the splatters are no longer visible, so you can reuse this thing. The link is in the description in case you're interested in purchasing one of these off Amazon. Be sure to tick the green box in order to get a large discount. The Bwine M4A1 Splatter Ball Blaster. Thanks for watching.